everyone. So we're actually at my bank now because I want you to prove that this is real. I am making a full-time income online, and I just want to show you a little bit of proof of that. So let's see how much I have in my bank account thanks to working online. So as you can see, this is my debit card. It says Kelly Buck Marketing. This is my business account. Okay, we're just going to check the balance. Okay, print receipt, checking. I know it's going to be in the 20,000s. Boom. So as you can see, I have $31,000 in my business account. If I was working for someone else, do you think that I would have over $30,000 in my bank? No, not unless you were a doctor or a lawyer. It's a known fact that entrepreneurs make the most money. And with working online and online systems and everything, everyday people now can be able to get their little piece of the pie. If I wasn't working online, I would never have that much money in my account. Before I started making money online, I only ever had like maybe a couple $100s in my bank account after all bills were paid and everything. So I'm only showing you this because this is real. I can show you all the back offices in the world, but it doesn't seem real until you see the money. So now you see this is real. I'm an everyday person, just like you. So you're able to do this too. And the email processing system played a very big part in me being able to get my bank account to that. And with 30 grand, you could do anything. At this time next year, I'm gonna get into real estate. It's working online is going to fund pretty much all my dreams and help me do anything I want in life, and be able to triple that. And it's definitely something that you can do also. So as you can see, I just showed you my bank account, so can't get any more real than that. So all the haters out there that just try to say it's not possible, you either have to have a really complicated skill set or a real business, or you have to just work for someone at a 9 to 5 to make money. No, they're totally wrong. It's just people that are in the right mindset and the negative mindset. And what I like to say is there's no reason to listen to people who are not where you want to be in your life. Like a long time ago, I used to listen to negative people too, and it's because deep down I still didn't believe that it was possible. And it made me feel better to believe people who were in the same mindset as I was, because misery loves company, right? But now it's definitely real, as you can see. And I just have pulled up here on my computer just all the times that I've been paid. See, I got paid at 8:35 p.m. for $100 sale, and then at 12:39 a.m. again. What was that for? Another $100. So I made like 500 or 600 bucks the past 2 days. Then again at 7 a.m., 2 p.m. 100, 2:03 p.m., 2:33 p.m. Just got another $100 sale a few minutes ago. So it's just on complete autopilot. It's just amazing. So let's go into a little bit more about the business. I showed you my bank account. I showed you my email where I'm getting paid, and I'm about to show you proof of other people earning also, because it's very important that a lot of people are earning as well. It is the email processing system. It's been around since 2010, changing the lives of families for 8 years. A lot of people are skeptical because people just don't believe that it's possible to be able to do this without a really hard skill set. But this is something that anybody can do. You do need to have either a PayPal or a Payzig account to receive payments. The product is digital marketing training. I'm teaching you how to market online and how to make money online, and the exact strategies that I'm using to make $500, $600 in a day, and what many team members are using to make several $1,000s per month. Was I always making $500 a day? No. I started making just a couple of $25, $50, or $100 payments a week. I was receiving those commissions, but I then saw it was real. Then I was able to just scale up, and then I just gradually started earning a little bit more over time. Now I've been doing this for over 1 year. So was it worth it? Is it worth putting in some hard work to have some $400, $500 days? Yes. Okay, so you're just copying, pasting pre-written ads, promoting our digital marketing training. That's how it works. Prospects will visit your website, and these are targeted leads. These are not just random people off the street. These are people that are looking for an opportunity like this already. You know, they say build it and they will come. And how you earn money is by solving people's problems. So people have a problem of wanting to earn money online, not knowing how to do it. People have a problem of not earning enough money day to day, and they're looking for solutions. Well, we put the solution in front of their face, and a portion will purchase, okay? So prospects will visit your website. Some of them will purchase. Those who choose to purchase the $25, $50, or $100 package, you get paid. It's instant to your PayPal. You don't have to wait on a company to pay you. This is a direct sales, member-to-member payments. That means your prospect will directly pay you. You do not have to wait for a company to, send you your commissions at the end of the week or anything like that. It's instant to your PayPal or your Payza, whatever payment processor you want to use. Get them plugged in and email them their purchase, which is essentially processing the purchase, processing the email, and you're going to email them over their purchase. Get them plugged into our team, rinse and repeat, scale up. And I always say this to people just because I want you to get the most value and maximize your chances for success. But it is good to join at the pro level, which is the $100 package. That way you have the ability to earn the $25, $50, and $100 commissions. And you will also get a website that I will build you. The website looks pretty good. And you'll get added to my bonus coaching group, which I'm about to show you what I have to offer you there. I just want to give you the maximum value. So yeah. So I would like to show you some proof from people. This is just a random email processing proofs on Facebook. There are so many of them. If you type in email processing proof on Facebook, you're going to find so much stuff. I just want to show you that it is real. Because Jeremiah here, he said, made 3 $25 payments last week. We have Shalem. He says, really, it does work. Now I can just keep going and going. Graham, EPS has gone viral. Get with the person who added you to this group. Do not miss out on this opportunity. Peter, he says, this program is on fire. And these are all different people. These are not the same people over and over. You see, these are all different people. Pamela, Pamela again. We have Carrie. She says, another payment received. I love EPS. So I can just keep going through the pictures, but I think you see that this is legit. People are getting paid. And there are some people that don't like selling digital training. They feel like they're not really selling anything of substance. But let me tell you something. If you want to make money online, it's a lot easier and less hassle and easier to actually start making money selling digital training and digital products online versus selling physical products like, this candle here or, lotions. That takes a while and people just, it just doesn't have the same drawing and same appeal, and I truly believe that you make money a lot faster by selling digital training and digital products online. So we are helping people become financially free. That's the main appeal. Not only for me and you to be able to earn, but we want to help other people be able to do the same thing too. All any of us need to make, good money online is just to get a little piece of the pie. We don't have to have the whole pie, but there's more than enough leads and prospects out there looking to make money online that we can all, earn a nice living. So if you would like to get started, you can go to my website. That's yourwayforfreedom.com. It looks like in this video, I almost forgot to show you my coaching group. So let me go ahead and do that really fast if you're still with me. So I'm not going to go down because this is only for my $100 package, people. But this is pretty much where I tell it all. I'm very transparent. I tell everything that I do for email processing and the other home businesses that I'm in. I tell everything that I do. I literally give it all away. Get more $100 sales with EPS. Get targeted leads on LinkedIn. My current solo ad vendors, I buy paid traffic. I'm not going to lie about that. I buy paid traffic, and I reveal all of that to you here in my private group because I know what it feels like to join something and have someone not tell you what to do or anything or just be left in the dark, and I would never do that to someone. So yeah, you're going to get all those bonuses with my $100 package. Get started, go to my website. That's yourwayforfreedom.com, and I cannot wait to take you by the hand and see you posting about your success also.